Welcome to you guys to another quick video on Inside the Yard. In this video, we will know about why Troy Bilt tiller won't start. Now we will discuss about all the possible reasons for not starting and their fixes. Let's see. Reason number 1, faulty spark plug. In this case, spark plug cleaning will solve the problem, and if it is not possible, to replace it. Reason number 2, dirty carburetor. For this, use new fuel with carb cleaner and clean it. Reason number 3, defective ignition coil. In this case, replace it. Reason number 4, broken flywheel. For this, check the flywheel and replace it if necessary. And reason number 5, defective recoil starter. In this case, you have to assemble it properly to ensure it works fine and engage the crankshaft that turns over the engine. It should retract properly to start the engine. If you see the problem lies in here, replace it. That was the solution of Troy Bilt tiller won't start issue. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.